Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use themes in Excel. Excel has many inbuilt themes which you can use by going to the page layout tab, and over here you see the section themes wherein you can choose any theme you want and it will automatically start reflecting over here. Let me just go ahead and I shifted this data over here so that you can see the changes much better. See how it affects the numbers, the colors, the text. See, so every theme is unique, and you can also customize them. You can choose colors from here. You can choose fonts from here, and you can choose the effects on images from here and save these themes. You may also browse for themes if you have them on your computer. So this is how you work with themes in Excel.